Tarkett created its ReStart, Take Back, and Recycling program decades ago to impact the health of our planet for decades to come. In the United States alone, over 5 billion pounds of old carpet are thrown into a landfill every year. By working with our partners to recycle that material instead, we're reducing the negative effects of landfills and our reliance on virgin materials.
Taking back old flooring is a necessary step in creating a circular ecosystem where we can take the waste from one product and use it as a raw ingredient to create something new. So at Tarkett, our ReStart, Take Back, and Recycling program, we make it easy to bring back that old flooring because we do want it back. And there's so many wonderful things that we can actually do with it.
It was the simplicity of working with Tarkett that helped the project team for Loyola Marymount University recycle 3 dump trucks of old flooring from their residence halls.
It's a misconception among contractors that recycling is a hassle. It adds time, it adds costs, just an overall hassle. But Tarkett's made it super easy with their ReStart program. Takes all that away.
As a Tarkett ReStart partner, you can always trust us to find creative ways to give that old flooring new life. If we can't find a home for the material and turn it back into new flooring, we make sure that we find someone who can use it. Our #1 goal at Tarkett with our ReStart program is to avoid sending any material to a landfill because those landfills actually can release harmful chemicals into our air, the water, and the soil. So our goal is to divert as much of your old flooring from a landfill as we possibly can.
Partnering with Tarkett's ReStart program just seemed like it was the right thing to do. The fact that it fit in so easily to our process made it a no-brainer. The crew was happy, Tarkett was happy, and most important, the client was happy that we handled their old flooring responsibly.
Knowing there are choices we can make today that will improve the health and well-being of our world for generations to come, aren't we obligated to make them? Tarkett has always thought so. When it comes to creating a circular economy where nothing goes to waste, we're all in this together. Make recycling a simple part of your next Tarkett flooring project by visiting commercial.tarkett.com/restart.